For me, being a witch is about my connection to the earth, the moon, the stars. It's about recognizing that I am part of nature, not separate from it. It's about honoring the cycles, the seasons, the moon phases, my own body's rhythms. It's about paying attention to the natural world and understanding that there's wisdom there if I'm willing to listen. I'm deeply drawn to liminal spaces, those in-between places and times, dawn and dusk, doorways and thresholds, the changing of the seasons, the moments between sleeping and waking. These are magical times and places, and witchcraft is about recognizing and working with that magic.